start the day with a song and sing the whole day through. Even while you're busy working, do just like the birdies do. Though the day may be long, you never will go wrong. Off key, on key, any old key, just start the day with a song.
June 21st is the first day of summer and the longest day of the year. Summer, when the spring buds of the buttercup blossom out and the tulip wakes up and tries to look her very best. The silence of the still summer air is broken only by the persistent snapdragons. Bees also look forward to summer, and after carefully selecting a flower, busily go about their business gathering honey for the coming winter.
Get your own honey.
Who doesn't like to look back to those wonderful summer picnics, out in the woods, free from the cares of the world?
Come and get it!
Huh? Fishing is also one of the more pleasant summer pastimes. Summer is vacation time for the kids, who spend its glorious days at the good old swimming hole.
Last one in is a stinker.
Last one in is a stinker.
Summer romances usually end with wedding bells and petite June brides. Remember, it has always been the custom for the bridegroom to carry his bride over the threshold.
You and your big mouth.
In the summer, you can also expect a visit from our little friend, the mosquito. Summertime is also time for those proverbial heat waves. Even old Sol himself has trouble keeping cool. For relief, everybody flocks to the beach on these hot summer days.
Nothing like a cool drink on a warm day. How about you all joining in and singing about the good old summertime? Just follow me.
In the good old summertime, in the good old summertime, strolling through the shady lanes with your baby mine, you hold her hand and she holds yours, and that's a very good sign that she took to
Come on now, give it all you've got.
In the good old summertime, in the good old summertime, strolling through the shady lanes with your baby mine, you hold her hand and she holds yours, and that's a very good sign that she's your Tootsie Wootsie in the good old summertime. In the good old summertime, in the good old summertime, strolling through the shady lanes with your baby mine, you hold her hand and she holds yours, and that's a very good sign that she's your Tootsie Wootsie in the good old summertime.
Children! Quiet, children! Now, children, school is out for the summer vacation. Summer vacation?